Choosing a nightstand for your bedroom is a great way to add personality and customize your space. And we've put together 3 different looks using creative nightstands as a base. Nightstands are often included in bedroom sets, but mixing and matching opens up lots of design options. In the first space, we created a beach-themed look with lots of color. This teal and white accent piece with bone inlay technically isn't a nightstand, but we've always liked thinking outside of the box. In the opposite corner is also a stylish option. This wood end table coordinates perfectly with the beach theme in the space. In the second example, we've gone with darker colors that make a bold statement. We chose 2 round end tables to function as nightstands, and the opposing colors and textures balance out the space. In this final room, we've stepped outside the nightstand box even more with this bone inlay console and a warm blush color theme. This console creates lots of surface area and adds a striking visual to the space. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.